In a tiny backyard in Windmill Park near Boksburg, something extraordinary is happening. 25-year-old Zephaniah Sithole has a simple belief. Dreams don't belong in the sky, they belong in your hands. And he's proving it one world at a time. With no matric certificate, no engineering degree, and barely any resources, Zephaniah is hand building an aircraft he calls Fly Putserve. What started as a childhood dream in 2019 has transformed his family's backyard into township magic. Neighbors stop to stare, strangers climb inside, everyone wants to experience what he has created. I believe I can fly and touch the sky, Zephaniah says with quiet confidence.
Igama lami nguZephaniah Sithole from Windmill Park. So I've designed my aircraft like made about the aluminium and fiberglass, like it's ngangena ngikhombe ukuthi ihleli kanjani. Okay, lana i-fuselage yakhona, i-face yakhona. Bese la ama-wings wakhona, bese leya i-horizontal yakhona. Bese lawa ama-tank lawa tuna. Lama-tank awuthuna kwama-engine wakhona, sort of like a private jet. So into eshoda ngayo kwamanje vele ama-engines wakhona, like a-professional ukuthi angakhona ukuthi ayiphakamise. Shoda nange-APU, imoto esibiza nge-APU, le ikhona ukuthi iphushe like i-full body ukuthi for speed. So yizo like into ezi-based kule aircraft yami. So into e-unique ngazo, like ngazi-inventela zona like different to aircraft, like siyakhuluma like ngalama-drive la wehleli ngakhona, like the way engeke ngayidizayina ngakhona is sort of like different than i-normal aircraft, like i-aircraft ejwayelekile. So there are still more features lawa engibhizi ngawo ukuthi ngiwafeature are-unique than aircraft. So mina ngizalelwe la eWindmill Park, ngakhulela la eWindmill Park since from ngizalwe 2000 from la eWindmill Park. So ngaba nale idea ukuthi at least mangazi develop an aircraft yami just for inspire like youth into ezinkanjani.
School didn't work out, but that never stopped him. He taught himself AutoCAD software and spent years drawing, measuring, cutting and welding. Every cent from his family's puzzle shop went into his dream. Working late into the night, he's built something remarkable. 10 seats, futuristic interior, emergency exits, safety features, all designed by him.
Ngiqala about boma 2019. It was boma June 2019. Ngayiqala from a sketch. Yeah, like ngiloko ngithenga insimi eyi-1 because like bengana budget. Yeah, bengana ama-financial struggles. So ngayiqala ngayiphusha ngiyazonke ngiloko ngithenga ngeli-1. Nanama-fiberglass ngiloko nje ngithenga ngama-1 litre amathini amancane nje ukuthi at least nje ngiloko ngiphusha like i-process yami. So le gama leli nilibonayo lapha elibhaliwe i-Fly Putserve, igama like engele ngazi into like engele ngale ngayidesigner just special for i-project yami ukuthi ngiliphe yona. So mina igama lami nguZephaniah, so nga-edita lapha nga-eda lapha kuZephaniah ngathi at least uma ngathatha lo Zeflo ngimbeke kuleyo Putserve lo. So like singangena phakathi manje ngikhombele like amanye ama-features. Okay. Yeah, so lana like ngele ngabeka like amagama ahlukile okubulisa wethu sabantu abamnyama ngapha eAfrica eSouth Africa. Yabona, so lana kunesilungu, kunesivenda, kunesindebele, kunesitswana, kunesixhosa, kunesizulu, kunesisuthu, kunesitsonga, kunesiswati, kunesi-Afrikaans, kunesipedi. So wonke lamagama lawo sibisa ngawo nje mawungena phakathi kwe-aircraft ukuthi even nomqondo wakho ungabi nalento yokuthi sigebela la ku-aircraft into eyohamba like more than 30,000 feet to la esikhona manje. So singangena phakathi. Okay, lena first in all, yeah, ifront yethu. So uma sashoda ngedrivele, sashoda ngamanye ama-cockpit wakhona ukuthi sikhona ukuthi sicontrol ngawo. So far, like, because like I've designed it like in a different way, like a screen. So there's still more features which is
The aircraft isn't ready to fly yet. He needs an engine, engineering support, and an official certification. But Zephaniah sees beyond today's limitation. He dreams of partnering with aviation giants like Airbus and Boeing, and of course, building a legacy right here in the township. I built this with nothing, he says. Imagine what's possible with real support. His neighbors believe in him now. They call him a genius, a symbol of what happens when dreams refuse to die.
Ila esihlala khona. Yeah, la nila ahlala khona like ama-passengers. Yeah, sort of like a home. Yeah, actually like is a future of a new home. Yeah, so like ngiyazama ukuthi at least ngi-inspire nalaba abancane, laba abangayazi i-aeroplane, abangayazi like i-private jet, just ukuthi babe naleyo vision leyo ukuthi okay, this thing like is into like ekhona, into like esingayigibela in future, into like esifisayo ukuthi one day sigibele, into like esifisayo ukuthi one day singayi-drive. So ngizama ukuletha like i-future to the youngest generation la elokishini, because abaningi bakhona abastruggle, abazali bethu into abangazigibeli, into like is too far to thina like sabantu abamnyama. So manje like ngeke ngayiletha lento lethu i-background yethu la elokishini. So zama uku-inspire like i-youth, zama uku-inspire like iy'ngane ey'ncane.
Zephaniah Putsef is building more than just an aircraft. He's building hope that takes flight.